European stock markets are trading broadly flat this morning, and in the currency space, the dollar is trading higher against its rivals in core government bonds. Both German bunds and the UK gilt contracts are again also flat, and so are peripheral bond yields. In the commodity space, metals are ticking a little lower, with gold down around about $3. Good morning, I'm Ishaq, Siddiqi, and welcome to your daily market bite. I'm going to give you a quick idea of what's going on in financial markets today. So overnight in Asia, we had a relatively decent session, and it's given us a bit of support here in Europe this morning. In Wall Street, in the session on Wall Street overnight, we did see some losses for the Dow and the S&P, despite the fact that we actually had some pretty good economic data and very strong numbers from Goldman Sachs, the investment bank. Now heading into today, the big focus is going to be on Federal Reserve Chairman Bernanke's testimony to Congress. It's a two-day event, starts today and it continues until tomorrow. Now investors will be looking out for any further clues to how Mr. Bernanke sees monetary policy going forward. Will he or won't he taper? It's likely he's going to maintain the rhetoric that he came out with last week, that the US monetary policy remains highly accommodative, suggesting that QE is going to continue for the next, or for the foreseeable future, for the next year at least. But he will signal tapering perhaps as early as the start of 2014, and at the same time keep interest rates at record lows. It's very likely he's going to try communicating to the market that the market has overreacted somewhat to the worries about tapering, and also the reflected rise in bond yields for US Treasuries. Now, other than the Bernanke testimony, which is undoubtedly the big key risk event going forward, we have a couple of data points to look out for. UK unemployment data is going to catch a lot of attention. At the same time, the Bank of England is releasing its meeting minutes from the last policy meeting. This is the first meeting minutes with Mark Carney on board, and investors will want to know if he was or against quantitative easing. It's likely he probably voted against QE. And we also have US housing starts and the Fed's beige book, which will be eagerly awaited. But again, all eyes on Mr. Bernanke. When it comes to earnings, look out for numbers from Bank of America, and after the US closing bell, we have IBM and Intel reporting numbers too. That is all for your daily market bite. Tune in for another one tomorrow. Cheers.